And let's just watch the video from Tesla here, posting this, saying that world's first autonomous delivery of a car. This is the first time in history. This is history, guys. The first car that was autonomously delivered to a customer's house. The first one in the world. This is for the history books. This is the first time ever in history that is happening. Insane. This Tesla drove itself from Gigafactory, Texas to its new owner's home around 30 minutes away, crossing parking lots, highways, and the city to reach its new owner. Let's watch the video, man. Let's just watch the video. Look at this. It says, so vehicle operating robotaxi software equipped with FSD supervised upon delivery. So is this not even the latest version of full self-driving? Bro, that is crazy. That is crazy. Look at all those Cybertrucks, man. Comes at a full stop sign. No one driving, man. Man, I want to go here. I want to go where this is in Texas, man. Austin. This is amazing. If I'm allowed to go in, I don't know. But this is awesome. Look at the thing. I mean, the thing is driving on its own. The thing is driving on its own. It's on the highway. It's taking a left. There's nobody in the car. Look at the camera on the right bottom corner. There's nobody in the car. Imagine you're driving. Look at this right there. There's nobody in the car. This is absolutely flippin' creepy. This is crazy, but this is why I'm all in Tesla stock, because of this reason. Look at this. Imagine you're driving on the road and you see this. What the heck is going on? This is awesome. This is awesome. I don't know what to say. I am shocked. Bless the United States of America for allowing such innovation to happen. Nowhere else in the world will allow this such thing, which is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Look at this, man. Look at this. I love it. Oh, that's a Cybertruck that's taking video of this whole thing. And what is the Cybertruck? What is that in the back? Is that supposed to be the camera? Like, what is that? Like chains and all that kind of stuff. I don't even know what that is, but whatever that is, I mean, just look at that. It's going highways. It's taking the right turns. It's going, on the right lanes. It's waiting for traffic. It stands in line. Imagine you're in that Ford right in front, and you're looking in you're looking in the rear view mirror. What the heck? There's nobody in the car. What the heck is that, man? I would be like, bro, what? I'm gonna go buy some Tesla stock right now. That's all I'm gonna say. This is awesome. My God, look at this. Busy highway, waits for the right turns, keeps going straight, avoids the traffic, sees all this. Look at that. It's just full self-driving autonomous is here, guys. And I don't care what anybody says. If you're watching this and you don't believe what you're seeing, I don't blame you. But if you think this is fake, then you're a clown. That's all I'm going to say. You're an idiot. This is real. This is 100% real. It's not teleoperated. It's not, no one is controlling this thing. It's actually driving itself to the customer's house. Obeying all traffic laws and other cars, and it's just insane. This is the future. Imagine you're that Tesla looking right behind. Oh, Model Y. Oh, wow, there's nobody inside. That's creepy. And it arrives at the customer's house, at the location. Look at that. So they were waiting for it. This was already planned. They were waiting for this to happen. The car comes. It just stops in front of the house. All right. And let's see what happens. Look at that. They were waiting for it too. Look, they were waiting for it. Look, hey, here's your car, man. Yeah, the whole Tesla employees right there. It's like, hey, man, welcome to your new car. To your new car that just drove itself here for the first time ever. Look at that. He gets in the car. He's just like, there's really nobody inside. Oh, my God. Dude. I mean, if you think this is fake and you're still bearish on this, you are a clown. And you need to, I don't know what you need to do, man. You just need to stop being a bear and a short on this company, because once this thing becomes